Good morning, it's Tony here at Johnson RV in Medford, Oregon. It's a 2020 Leisure Travel Unity. This is a 24 TB, which is the twin bed model. Really popular model in the Leisure Travel Unities. Walking around here, it's in awesome condition. We head inside. All the amazing build quality you'd expect from leisure travel. This, of course, is on the Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis with the little turbo diesel. Overhead storage up here. The driver and passenger seats do swivel around. You have this little trifold dinette table here, which is kind of nice in between these two jump seats. Storage overhead. 2-burner cooktop. Some more drawers down below. Nice modern round sink. There's your trash can location, which people really like to be able to slide their food scraps down into the trash can. TV mounted right here. You also get a little pull-out pantry here as well. On this side, you've got your auto leveling, all your power management here, your microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. So we make our way down this hall here. We've got the shower on the one side here with the skylight, good size shower. And then directly across, we've got the commode, nice little countertop, some more storage in here, towel rack. And then back here in the bedroom area, you do have a closet on both sides. Decent amount of space for hanging clothes. And then you get storage overhead as well, all the way around. This is the split twin bed area here that does convert into a king size bed. But yeah, for 2020, this coach is in amazing condition. Leisure travels, they just hold up through time. They just absolutely are one of the best quality RVs built, if you're familiar with the name. If not, do some research. Just very small production numbers on these coaches. Very, very nice condition. Please let me or anybody else on the team know if we can help get more information on this guy or any other coaches that we have in stock. Thanks, have a great day.